Ever found yourself intrigued by the most amazing man-made structures in the world? Well, you're not alone. These architectural marvels, scattered across the globe, have not only stood the test of time, but have also served as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. From ancient colosseums to towering skyscrapers, these structures have etched their names in the annals of human achievement. So, buckle up for a thrilling ride as we count down the top 5 man-made wonders. Prepare yourself as we journey through time and space to explore these architectural wonders. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the Colosseum, a testament to the grandeur that was once Rome. Constructed over 2,000 years ago, the Colosseum is a marvel of ancient engineering. It's a massive amphitheater that could hold an astonishing 50,000 spectators. Imagine that. 50,000 people gathering to witness gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and dramas based on classical mythology. The Colosseum, with its intricate network of passages, elevators, and trapdoors, was a marvel of logistical planning. The Romans were not only architects, but they were also showmen. They knew how to create drama and spectacle on a grand scale. But the Colosseum is more than a testament to Rome's architectural prowess. It's a symbol of the Roman Empire itself, ambitious, powerful, and determined to leave a mark on the world. The Colosseum, a timeless symbol of Rome's might, stands as an enduring testament to the power of human ingenuity. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves facing the Serpentine Wonder, the Great Wall of China. This magnificent structure, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, has a rich history stretching back over 2 millennia. Conceived as a protective barrier against invasions, it has been an emblem of the Chinese nation's strength and unity. The Great Wall's construction methods are as fascinating as its history. Craftsmen use materials readily available in the local terrain, from rammed earth to bricks and stones. This resourcefulness not only expedited the building process, but also enhanced the wall's durability. Spanning approximately 13,000 miles, the Great Wall is an architectural marvel, weaving its way across mountains, through valleys, and into the hearts of the people. Its cultural significance is profound, symbolizing the Chinese people's spirit of perseverance and unity. Stretching across mountains and valleys, the Great Wall of China exemplifies human determination and resilience. Claiming the 3rd spot is the Pyramid of Giza, a pharaoh's legacy etched in stone. This monumental marvel, standing tall and proud in the Egyptian desert, is a testament to the grandeur of the ancient civilization. Dated back to around 4,500 years ago, it's one of the oldest and most well-preserved structures on our planet. The Pyramid of Giza, often associated with Pharaoh Khufu, embodies a construction enigma that still baffles scholars and researchers today. Its colossal limestone blocks, meticulously stacked and aligned, whisper tales of an advanced civilization, skilled beyond their era. This pyramid, a colossal tomb, played a significant role in Egyptian culture. It was a symbol of the pharaoh's divine status and power, a stairway to the stars, aligning the earthly realm with the cosmos. The Pyramid of Giza, an enigma wrapped in a mystery, continues to captivate the world with its grandeur. Securing the 2nd spot is the Taj Mahal, a monument of love crafted in white marble. This ethereal edifice, located in Agra, India, is a testament to the profound love of Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Constructed over a span of 20 years, the Taj Mahal is a marvel of Mughal architecture, adorned with intricate carvings, precious gems, and semi-precious stones. Its symmetrical design, coupled with the surrounding gardens and reflecting pool, creates an aura of serene beauty. The Taj Mahal is not just a structure, it's a symbol deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of India, narrating a timeless tale of love and loss. The Taj Mahal, a testament to love and loss, remains one of the most breathtaking architectural masterpieces. And finally, at number 1, we have the Burj Khalifa, a structure that literally touches the sky. This modern marvel, nestled in the heart of Dubai, didn't just come into existence overnight. Its story is one of ambition and innovation, spanning over 5 years of construction. The Burj Khalifa's impressive stature, standing at a dizzying height of over 800 meters, is a testament to the advanced construction techniques employed in its creation. This glistening tower has reshaped our understanding of what's possible in architecture, pushing the boundaries in design, engineering, and technology. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of human triumph over the limits of nature. Soaring high above the clouds, The Burj Khalifa stands as a symbol of human aspiration and achievement.